Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is find our costs, and our two costs will be our fixed cost and our variable cost. Now Frodo, he has to pay $45,000 monthly for equipment with a fee of $25. Now our fixed cost will be fixed is 45,000. Our variable is $25 X. Since it's a variable, it is with an X. And how we make that into a function, we put them together, which will be 45,000 plus 25x. Now what we're going to do is find the revenue cost. Just the revenue. And our revenue is going to be the cost of each ring, and each ring is being sold for $100. So $100 per ring. Our revenue equals 100x. So that is we have our second answer. So for our third answer, we're going to look for the profit function, and the profit will equal the revenue minus the cost. So now we just had to plug in our revenue cost with our cost. So let's see here. 100x minus 45 plus 25x. Make sure always remember to distribute the negative. So this will be 100x minus 45,000 minus 25x. And now we just plug in common terms. So 75x minus 45,000. Now that will be our profit. And finally, we're looking for the estimation of break-even point, of Frodo's break-even point. And in order to do that, we will put our profit function equal to 0. So let's take 75x minus 45,000 equal to 0. Let's add 45,000 to both sides, so we get 75x equal to 4,500. Now we divide 75 to both sides, and then we get let me use my calculator really quick. 45 divided by 75, and we get 60. There we go. So in order to break even, Frodo must sell 60 rings. And now to see if he makes profit, we're going to plug in this into the profit function. So let's plug it in. P60 equals, down here now, 60 minus 45. So let's just calculate that really quick. 75 times 60 equals 4,500 minus 4,500. It looks like by selling 60 rings, Frodo will have no profit whatsoever. What do you know? And there you go. Frodo has to sell more than 60 rings in order to make profit.